Go. Get up here. Get up here. Take it that means it's going, right? It beeps at me. It's ready to rock. It is flashing red. Where's recording, boys? Welcome to Lake Greenwood on this lovely day. We're here doing a little bit of fishing with Brian Matthews. Pete Hodges, camera 2. Mic check, mic check. You good? I'm gonna kick it and get over to the docks. It's like the only one on this lake that looks like this. This is about the only hill on this lake. Everything else kind of looks pretty flat.
That's what I like about Lake Murray. It's nothing like Lake Huey or not that bad.
Well, Dorman did their little private tournament, or their little club tournament in-house yesterday. I think out of the 5 boats, 4 of them weighed fish. I think 10 pounds brought it in. How's it going? Good. Just getting started. So, nice day though. Couldn't resist. Oh, whew. Geez, I couldn't imagine.
I don't know. I did a little ice fishing while I was up there with a buddy of mine. I used to do it all the time. I'm like, nah.
Not anymore?
Not anymore. I've been down here too long.
Hey, well that's good. I'm glad you got acclimated to the area. Compared to out there, I don't know if I could acclimate that direction.
You know, in the summer it's great salmon fishing.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, that'd be just perfect for it.
You're talking 20, 30 pound fish.
Yeah, oh, you can't beat that. I would thoroughly enjoy that as well. You gonna do any fishing today, or you just cruising?
I'm gonna try to.
Hey, well, good luck.
You too. Actually, if you go up around, I live right up around the corner.
Yes, sir.
Just around that point, mass is setting up right off our dock, just around this little point right here.
I hate to say it, then I'll probably fish your dock a lot, and so I appreciate it. Don't run me off too much.
I won't.
Hey, well, you got a good.
If you lose, try not to lose anything, because we do swim.
Oh no, I try to get everything back. I don't want. I'm a dock fisherman, but I agree. I know everybody. My uncle lives down the lake, and you know, I know how it is. I try to be as respectful as possible.
Hey, water came up warm in the last week, huh?
Well, yeah.
Up to 62, right?
Yeah, 65 down the lake. But hey, y'all have a great day.
You too, safe.
Oh, nope, I know where I stuck these lizards. Lizard. I told you I wouldn't be too long and I'd be on the lizard. I would show you guys that pack, but they don't make that pack of lizards anymore, so it's kind of pointless.
Is it Zoom?
It's a Zoom lizard, yes. You can still find them some places, but
I bet that place in Gaffney has them.
they don't.
They don't?
They have the little stuff.
They have the little lizards, not the big ones.
They have the little, like, finesse worms and stuff. That's what this color is most popular in. It's the finesse worm. But they made it in a big lizard.
Now, are you using the egg weight instead of a bullet weight?
No. Still bullet weight.
It's still bullet weight?
Just a little bit bigger.
Okay.
I'm just, because I was fishing grass yesterday,
Yeah.
I wanted to punch it.
Had to, yeah, get through it.
And so we got the, oh, where did it go? I'll do it in here. There it is. Crawdiddly spray. I'll say you still doing all right there, Mr. Matthews?
Oh yeah, I'm golden.
Flip these guys. I don't like kicking rods in the water.
Yeah,
That
please,
means
please
I gotta
don't.
swim after them.
Exactly, when they cost that much.
Yeah, but they're probably definitely staging right now, considering the way they were chasing last week.
Yeah.
I think by next week, that's my problem. Really, right now, I almost feel like I need to be searching for fish on beds, so I can find them next week, or fish that are actually in there tearing up, getting ready to set up on beds, so I know which coves I need to be in. But the water's so muddy, that's impossible. Yeah, if he lives right around this corner between that cove over there and this stretch of docks right here, that's what I fed off of all summer last year.
Y'all did pretty good last year.
If I did all right. If I didn't catch one though, that's where I was, and I could yank 3 or 4 off between that group of docks. There was one over here, he broke me off one week, and I came back the next week and I caught him. I couldn't get him to bite that same week, but the next week it was just, he was still right there on that same post. So I probably got us just a wee bit close.
Never thought I'd be so good at bank shots.
Oh man, it's the best way to fish.
I can't play a lick of basketball, but by golly, I can hit a bank shot.
So the water temps come up, but the water levels dropped.
I heard Hartwell came up a good bit.
I'm sure it did with all this rain, man. Hartwell fluctuates with the rain more than
anything
lake in the
else.
state. That's why that last year school, while we were there, they, you know, it was brimming over the banks. If you were in the low area, like, you had floods. My house flooded. And the guy who we cleaned boats with, he owned a couple apartment buildings, so, you know, we basically turned it into an HVAC team instead of a boat cleaning team to go get all his apartments. He had one right there on the lake and it flooded. He had another one that just had a basement. It was flooded. There he is, Brian. Got him. Got him. Good fish. Heck yeah. That's one. Got the skunk off the boat at least.
Well, at least one of us does.
Yeah. Come on.
You gonna weigh him?
Nah.
I like him.
Good fish, good fish.
That's right.
I'll take it. Mwah! Give him a kiss. Get back in there. Go tell your buddies we were nice to you. We're giving out free kisses up here, boys.
Oh, man.
He picked it up and he ate it good. He wanted it. It was his after he got it.
Well, that makes you feel good.
I think we need to be in 10 foot of water, and they're gonna hit everything that hits the water, and that goes right in front of their face. It's just, seriously, you might want to bounce that chatterbait slow in a minute.
All right.
Just slow bounce that chatterbait almost off the bottom, Just they might see that flash a little better. Or if not, I mean, I'll do it.
I'll try anything.
Got him. Get up here! Get up here!
Dude.
That's what I'm talking about!
Woo! Get him, son.
Wasn't taking the time to get the net down there to him. He was getting up in this boat.
That's right.
Woo! Oh yeah. That's a nice one.
God.
That's a nice one right there.
You want to weigh him real quick?
Yeah, I do. Will you grab my phone? I'm gonna take a picture of him and send it to Diddy. Heck yeah, Brian. Heck yeah. He's probably 3.5.
At least. I don't have enough. You got it.
Oh, scale's in the other. Actually, my scale's in the front. Heck yeah.
Just hold it down.
Yeah, or just cut it on. It'll.
Okay.
I know you guys are gonna get mad at me online for hooking them through the gills to weigh them, but we're gonna do it.
That's how we do it.
Oh, 4.5, 4.6.
4.6. Dang, son.
I will take him.
Take her.
I'll take her. Heck yeah. She's pretty.
I don't know your passcode.
Oh, just scroll up. You should be able to get to the.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. It doesn't matter. Passcode's.
Dude.
Heck yeah.
Alrighty.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Free kisses. Mwah!
That's what you need right there during the competition.
I know. You come back for me next week, okay, bud? Okay, bud? I'll give you another free kiss, I promise, and then let you go at the end. Sound good?
Once you take her in.
All right, buddy. Bye. Oh, yeah.
Dude. Hey. That's what I'm talking about.
Well done. Hey, go get you one.